Welcome to the Ursus Library's patron tutorial on Google Tips Google Fun. This tutorial is one in a series by the Ursus Libraries to help our patrons use our library resources more easily and efficiently. If you're watching this tutorial, you probably already know how to use Google. This tutorial will highlight some hidden Google features that are useful and fun. The tips I will focus on today will be the dictionary tool, the earthquake tool, the public data tool, and the Doodles archive. I will quickly discuss and show an example of each tool. Have you ever come across a word in something you're reading online and have no idea what it meant? Well, I have. Even though I work in a library, sometimes I don't want to stop what I'm doing, get up, find a dictionary on the shelf, and look a word up. A quick and easy way to find the definition of a word is to use Google's built-in dictionary. Say I'm searching on the Maine Judicial Branch's website and come across the phrase lis pendens. If I don't know what the phrase means, I can look it up quickly using the Google Dictionary tool. I open Google, type define, and then the phrase I want to define, in this case lis pendens, and the Google Dictionary provides me with the definition. If I need a definition of a word or phrase to use in research or anything official, I might want to use a more credible source. But if I'm just looking for a quick definition, this is an easy-to-access Google tool. This next tool may not be something you use every day, but it could be useful, and it's definitely a fun, hidden Google gadget. Have you ever wanted to know about the most recent earthquake activity? Just in case you want that information and you want it immediately, Google has a built-in earthquake tool. To discover recent earthquake activity around the world, I simply type earthquake in the search box. Google then displays recent earthquake data from the United States Geological Survey. The next simple tool I will show you is Google's public data tool. There are many cool things that Google does with public data. One simple example is U.S. population trends. To see trends for population of U.S. states and counties, type population, followed by a state or county. You could then click through to a page that lets you compare different locations. Finally, the last fun Google feature is the Doodle archive. Google Doodles are the graphic changes that are made to the Google logo for holidays, for anniversaries, and to commemorate the lives and accomplishments of artists, pioneers, and scientists. If I search Google Doodles or type google.com/doodles, I can access old doodles and even old doodles from other countries. For example, if I choose 1998, I can see the doodles from that year. They certainly look a lot different from the doodles from, say, 2010. Also, I can just choose to see the doodles from a certain year and a certain country. For example, if I choose 2013, I can then compare the doodles from the United States to the doodles from Tunisia. While the Google Doodle archive might not be something I want to access every day, it is a fun distraction when I need a break from writing or researching. During this tutorial, we have explored a few simple Google tools, but there are many other useful ways to use Google. For more information, see our modules, Finding Credible Websites, Google Scholar, and Searching Using Google.